Happy Sunday. I know y'all probably saw the video I did the other day on the front brake cover, and when I made that order, I got something else, an hour meter, and I figured an hour meter, whatever, who really cares about a video about that? But I also got a mount for it, and it's just too cool not to share, so just wanted to show you all this. If you have a YZ, this will work perfect for you. Other bikes, I'm sure there might be another location you can use it, but this will be specific to a YZ, so check it out. So here's where I mounted it, right there on the bars. It's using the number plate bolt. The bracket's sold by Tusk. It's like $5 or $6, and just for that mount for the hour meter, I think it's perfect. You know, on the KTM Husqvarnas, they all come with hour meter stock, but the other bikes, they don't come with one. A lot of times, people either have to drill holes or put them on the frame here with adhesive or something like that. But I just couldn't get over how clean this was to be mounted there. Let me show you the bracket. It's pretty sweet. Alright, so that's the bracket. You can see it just shares the bolt there that holds the number plate down. It's just that little piece of aluminum, that's all it is to it, but it gives you two different mounting holes, I guess, for different hour meters. And they don't give you a longer bolt, because I guess they don't know what bolt you're going to use, but for my application, you know, that bolt there, I had to use a little bit longer bolt, but like most people, I got a hardware kit just to get that in there. So that's all it is to it, just that bracket, and then she lays right on there with two screws, and it's perfect fit. So yeah, so that's the Tusk Hour Meter Bracket, specifically from Tusk, which is you can get from Rocky Mountain ATV MC. That's kind of their house brand, Tusk is. And just a little, you know, background on that. I used to kind of think it was like Bobo stuff, but the Tusk stuff is pretty nice. So whether they've changed the quality or I just was clueless before, it's good stuff. So I would definitely check it out. So like I said, it's like $20 for the hour meter or whatever hour meter you choose, and then the bracket's, you know, $5, $6. So for YZ, it's a pretty easy fit. Thanks for checking it out. Please subscribe. Y'all take it easy.